Hopefully the audio is a little better. I switched to an external mic on this GoPro. So working on getting the body attached. As you can see, that quick jack, I put a quick, no pun intended, polish on it. And I kind of looked like I kind of like the look of raw metal. So I think I'm going to go with that. They're just steel. So I think I'll polish them up and probably coat them with Sharkhide, see how that holds up. And if not, then I can just clear coat them. But yeah, I like that look. I don't want anything chrome back here, but I want something that has a, I don't want to say semi-gloss, but a satin type finish. So, and I do like the raw metal. So this is the bolt and sleeve for the trunk latch. The trunk latch goes underneath that and latches to it. And I had planned on putting a nut on the forward side of that. I thought I could get my fingers up in there to get a nut started on there. Not possible. And I don't think my tool would fit in there for a riv nut. I don't really like the idea of using that back there anyway. So what I ended up doing, and I should have done this before, but I didn't think about it. I cut a small access panel in there just to get in on that nut, and then I marked it, as you can see, for the future. So 2 rivets, pop that off, and you can get right to that nut. And then I had done the coupler and bolt mod to make those bolts easy to get to. Since I did the drop trunk, there's no room to get your hands up in there, so seemed to work out pretty good. And then put some cushion washers against the body, and then the short stainless steel spacers there. So this is how the quick jacks look without anything done to them. Just raw steel. So yeah, working on that. Little Sharkhide metal protectant. Put 2 coats on the other one. Seemed to cover it real good. Let that one dry about 10 or 15 minutes. And this one's dry. Here's the finished product. It's with 2 coats on it. That will keep it from rusting, and it gives it a little bit of gloss. Not much, just nice and satiny. Yeah, we'll try that.